Becca, hi.
Oh my god.
Kidding. Lexi, right?
Funnier the first time.
Did it work? Engine's running, Blondie. Appreciate the call. Let's go do this thing. Did I miss something?
Sloan was gonna fry your brain in order to kill your other you. I wasn't about to let that happen, so I may have volunteered to help Enzo deal with it.
You mean kill him? Caroline, I can't let you.
They only want one alive, remember? It's you or him.
All right, fine. Well, I'm coming with you. No, mate, you aren't. They need to use you to keep track of them. Picked up, gorgeous. Time is of the essence.
I'll be fine, Stefan. Besides, you do the same for me, right?
I don't trust him.
Don't worry. I don't either. I'll be safe.